How to balance a chemical equation. You can now summarize the steps that you can follow to balance a chemical equation, using as an example the reaction of nitrogen and hydrogen to form ammonia gas. Here is the example of chemical equation. First, let's distinguish where is the reactant and the product. Based from the example, the reactant is at the left side. And the product is at the right side. Next, count the number of atoms of each element on the reactant side and the product side. For example, nitrogen has 2, hydrogen has 2 also, nitrogen is 1, hydrogen is 3. Next, find out which atoms are unbalanced. In the example given, you know that there is more hydrogen on the product side than on the reactant side, but there is more nitrogen on the reactant side. You can say that the equation is unbalanced. Now, balance each element at a time. Do this by placing a small whole number, called the coefficient, in front of the symbols or the formulas. What number should be placed before hydrogen 2 and NH2 to balance the equation? You can put the coefficient here or here and also here. Now let's proceed in putting the coefficient. We can put here coefficient 3 and 2. Next, we have to check if the equation is completely balanced. 2, 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 1, because it is invisible, and then 2 times 3. Okay, as the final answer, N2 plus 3H2 chemical reaction to NH3. So it is already balanced.